Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to cover about how bitcoins work. Bitcoin is more than a cryptocurrency used as a payment for investors to hold and hope for value increases. There is an entire ecosystem at work behind a cryptocurrency. There are many of this ecosystem working on the internet today. This because Bitcoin was the first. It's essential to understand what makes it work and how. Learn what's going on behind the scene in the Bitcoin network to help how further your understanding of this digital phenomenon and how it influences the world's finance. Key takeaways of this topic: a blockchain is a secured distributed ledger, a database disseminated between multiple users who can make changes. Mining is the process of validating transactions which requires miners who are rewarded in Bitcoin. Your access your Bitcoin using a wallet, a public key and private key. Bitcoin user pay small transactions fees in Bitcoin to miners for processing the transaction. Bitcoin's weakness is in storage method. The blockchain has reportedly never been compromised. The blockchain The Bitcoin blockchain is a database of transactions secured by encryptions and validated by peers. Here's how it works. The blockchain is not stored in one place, it is distributed across multiple computers and systems within the network. These systems are called nodes. Every node has a copy of the blockchain. Every copy is updated whenever there is a validated changes to the blockchain. The blockchain consists of blocks which store data about transactions, previous blocks, addresses, and code that execute the transactions and runs the blockchain. So to understand the blockchain, it's important first to understand block. When a block on the blockchain is opened, the blockchain creates the block hash, a 256-bit number that encodes the following information: the block versions, the Bitcoin client versions, the previous block's hash, the hash of the block before the current one, the Coinbase transactions, the first transactions in the block issuing the Bitcoin reward, the block height number, how far away numerically the block is from the first block. Merkle wrote a 256-bit number that stores the information about all previous blocks, time stamp, the time and date the block was opened the target in bits, the network target. The nonce a randomly generated 32-bit number. Queued transactions are entered into the block. The block is closed and the blockchain creates the hash. Each block contains information from the previous blocks, so the blockchain cannot be altered because each block is chained to the one before it. Blocks are validated and opened by a process called mining. Bitcoin mining is the process of validating transaction and creating a new block on the blockchain. Mining is conducted by software applications and that run on computers or machines designed specifically for mining called application specific integrated circuits. The hash is the focus of the mining program and machines. They are working to generate a number that matches the block hash. The programs randomly generate a hash and try to match the block hash using the nonce as the variable number, increasing it every time a guess is made. The number of hashes a miner can produce per second is its hash rate. Mining program across the network generate hashes. The miners compete to see which one will solve the hash first. The number that does receiving the Bitcoin reward. A new block is created and the process repeats for the next group of transactions. Thank you so much guys for watching this video and I hope you understand about how Bitcoins work.